tower. Okay, bye. Blue Streak 5328, turn left, November ground, point 7. 1, proceed on runway 15, hold short of Kilo.
Tower Brickyard 4528, Mount Vernon, visual 1.
4528, Watchtower 13507, runway 1, clear land, traffic departs.
Clear line 1, Brickyard 4528.
4528, are you able runway 33 today, 13507?
Able 33.
Air 4528, say again.
Yes, we can.
Air 4528, excellent. At the bridge, change 2, clear to land, runway 33, traffic will depart, runway 1. Appreciate it.
At the bridge, clear to land 33, Brickyard 4528.
369, be ready to go and land traffic exit downfield, runway 1, lap wait. 324, turn left on November ground, point 7, have a good one.
November ground, 354.
369, wind 3507, traffic 3, Alpha runway 33, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Delta 2370, runway 1, live weight, traffic 2.5 out, landing runway 33.
Runway 1, live weight, Delta
2370, you have the departing 73 in sight.
We do,
2370, roger, traffic 2.25 out, landing runway 33, maintain visual separation with the departing 73 off departure, runway 3506, runway 1, clear for takeoff. 369, traffic follows you visually off runway 1, contact on departure, have a great flight.
And Tower Blue 6101 is MTD1.
5101, watch the tower, traffic departs, 13506, runway 1, clear to land.
Runway 1, clear to land, 6101.
Delta 2370, contact on departure, have a great flight.
Departure Delta 2370, good.
Tower, is there a vehicle on 33?
Affirmative. Yeah, go around, turn left heading 250.
Heading 25.
He's off now, but yeah, left 250, climb maintain 3000.
Climbing 3000, heading 250, Brickyard 4528.
35108, winds are 3505, traffic's in a left turn on 250. Runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Tower Brickyard 4528, still with you, 3000.
4528, contact Potomac down 118.9 or 5.
1895.
And Blue Streak 5101, go around, turn left heading 280, climb maintain 3000, traffic midfield.
Alright, going around, left turn 280, Blue Streak 5101. Tower Brickyard 4383, Elder Mount Vernon, visual 1.
4383, watch tower, traffic departs, wind 0405, runway 1, clear to land, traffic departs.
Clear to land, runway 1, copy, Brickyard 4383.